If you're planning to buy web hosting today, don't complete your purchase just yet, because you could be saving a lot more money than you think. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off on its hosting plans. But here's something many people miss. If you use the special link in the description below this video, you'll also receive an extra 20% discount automatically applied during checkout. That's right. You don't need to search for coupon websites, copy promo codes, or wonder whether a discount code still works. Simply click the first link in the description, and your additional discount is activated automatically. Now, when the Hostinger website opens, you'll notice discounted prices immediately. Don't worry if you don't see the extra 20% discount at first. The prices shown on the plans page are the standard promotional prices. Your additional 20% discount is automatically applied when you continue through checkout before completing your payment. And if the prices aren't displayed in your local currency, simply click the flag icon at the top of the page, choose your country, and the pricing will instantly update. Now let's choose the right hosting plan, because selecting the correct plan can save you both money and future upgrades. If you're creating your first website, starting a blog, building a portfolio, or launching a business website, I recommend the premium plan. It's the plan that most beginners choose because it includes almost everything you need to get started. You'll receive hosting for multiple websites, free SSL to secure your website, professional email, one-click WordPress installation, access to the Hostinger website builder, AI-powered website creation tools, and, on eligible plans, a free domain name. For most users, this plan offers the best balance between features and price. Now, if you're planning to run multiple websites, launch an online store, or expect higher traffic, the business plan is a better option. It includes everything in the premium plan, plus daily backups, a free CDN, improved performance, and additional server resources. Daily backups are extremely useful because your website is automatically backed up every day. If you ever make a mistake or lose important files, restoring your website becomes much easier. The free CDN also helps your website load faster for visitors around the world by delivering content from servers closer to their location. If you're building a larger business website or expect your website to grow quickly, then the Cloud Startup Plan is worth considering. It offers higher performance, dedicated resources, priority support, and a dedicated IP address. It's designed for growing websites that need extra speed and reliability without the complexity of managing a VPS. One reason Hostinger continues to be so popular is because it's incredibly beginner-friendly. Its custom control panel is clean, modern, and much easier to use than many traditional hosting dashboards. From one place, you can install WordPress, manage your domain, create email accounts, monitor your website, and control all your hosting settings. The built-in AI tools are another huge advantage. Instead of spending hours designing a website from scratch, the AI website builder can generate an entire website in just a few minutes. It can also help create website content, page layouts, and basic designs, making the setup process much faster, especially for beginners. Performance is another reason why millions of people choose Hostinger. Fast-loading websites create a better experience for visitors, improve customer satisfaction, and help your website feel more professional. Whether you're creating a blog or running an online business, speed always matters.